Overlaw'd. He'll fight for your rights, and he's got his own channel shining bright. From the courtroom to the web, he's got it all. Sharing legal knowledge, answering the call. He breaks it down in a language we all understand. The RC Overlaw'd taking a stand. With his Aussie charm and his legal know-how, he's a hero we need, showing us how. He fights for justice, no case too tough. The RC Overlaw'd, he's more than enough. He's more than enough. In Melbourne town, where the suits all grind, there's a lawyer with a vision, one of a kind. He's the Aussie Overlaw'd. He'll fight for your rights, and he's got his own channel shining bright. From the courtroom to the web, he's got it all. Sharing legal knowledge, answering the call.
And good afternoon, good evening, and good night. How you doing? And how we doing, folks? It's that time of the day again. It is to be advised. Hope everyone is doing well, whether it's the start of your day, whether it's the end of your day, whether like me and see Winterstorm, you are recuperating from a very emotional week. I just want to say, in case no one has noticed yet, there are at least 3 new emojis to throw into the chat for obvious reasons, and I'm going to give everyone fair warning now. I have added a small memorial to him in the outro sequence. From now on, there will be a little bit of a reminder towards so that it doesn't catch anyone by surprise. They don't, just giving you a heads up. Look, I was still going backwards and forwards on what to do tonight, whether or not we should just watch some videos, whether or not I should build some of the Titanic, whether or not I should take a crack at Phoenix Wright, but let's face it. Yeah, so what I thought we'd start with tonight is we've got a couple of viewer submissions. We've got a double feature of a particular crazy-ass Karen who tries to run over her boyfriend and then his new girlfriend and winds up in cuffs both times. Also, I did see that we already had tonight's goal blown out of the frickin' water. But thank you, John Byrne. That's my side of town. There's a great barbecue place there from around the corner called Big Pig, Little Pig. You should check it out. I shall write that down. Here's my notes. That'll do. Big Pig, Little Pig. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hairs of my chin. Matilda from the Netherlands. Thank you very much. Very much appreciate that. Unfortunately, guys, just so you're aware, the super chats that come in before the stream starts, the damn bot does not pick up on a side to assign the $1 and that sort of stuff. So I can't force it to do the reading anymore, which is annoying and unfortunate. And for some reason, Social Stream didn't pick up the one. Crap. Hang on. I can force it. Does not appear that I can. Tim, I'm sincerely apologetic. I cannot bring it up there, but what I will do is read it out. I got family stuff to take care of, so I can't stay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too. Wrote my last law exam last Wednesday and secured my articles. Congratulations, dude. Peanut for the win. All I'm saying is, here in Australia, for example, I know for a fact covering articles these days is next to impossible because law firms basically want you to know what you're doing straight out the bat, and they're not willing to train you. They expect you to go and do the alternative, which is basically a 6 to 12-month course, depending on how many subjects you fail, that gives you a practicing certificate, and you still have to do like between 15 and 75 days. Don't quote me on that, because I didn't do it. At a law firm unpaid. And no, so congratulations on getting your articles. That's a huge thing. Won't see me much anymore. Oh, shit. So here's to 2025 and hoping the dingoes don't eat your boobies. Dude, honestly, congratulations. And anytime your dues drop by, more than welcome. Okay? Oh, feeling full of blue mana crabs we caught today. Damn. That's pretty awesome. All right, now let me just double check. The sound effects way louder. Could be because I probably got those. There we go. The trouble is I've got the sound effects and the Oh wait, hang on. No, I can drop the volume of the sound. No. Like Peanut and that sort of thing are always going to be huge overpowered because I've got those at 100% volume, whereas I don't have it on other things. Checking out your merch store. The koala mug's adorable. How did I ever mean to have a shirt for $3,000? So Megan, that's a funny story about that. That's the 12-month membership shirt. So it's either you can pay the $3,000 or you can be a member for 12 months for like $5 a month, and then I give you a code to reduce the value, or I just what I'm doing now and send them out myself. And yes. They are coming, Stingy. I can already hear it in my ear. They are in my they're in my distributor store. They're getting sent out, so yes, you should have them shortly. Let me just check there's nothing else there that I've missed while I've been rambling. Good morning to you too, Andrea. Doc, good to see you. Thank you. Edward von Dyen. Because the typist wanted him to be aware. No, that it was intentional. So, the fart blew my eardrums out. Really? I shall have to see what I can do about that. CW3, sorry for your loss. More than condolences. Cheers, mate. By that time, it'll be 24 months. Yeah, but look at it this way. It's a bit of a joke. Out through the secondary, so yeah. Edit that down. Hey, Rich, how you doing? Okay, so what we're going to start with tonight is a cat sharpening its nails. Cat. Oh, all right. Look good? Really? I'm shocked by that, honestly. It was a little bit warm here. I meant to have a shower later this afternoon, and I didn't get to it. What we're going to start with tonight is we're heading over to Judge Simpson's courtroom, who is going to get super annoyed by a very odd attorney, apparently. Boomer's volume's low. Seriously? Oh, it's doing that damn thing again. Okay, never mind. I'll get the timing down. You're fine, honestly. If you want to play around with it, you want to have the fun. We all know that there's tricks to it. And for anyone that's new to the $1 and doesn't understand what it is, here's the menu. There it goes. So those are all the different things that you're able to redeem your $1 towards. It's all just to have a bit of fun. So, all right, let's get stuck into it. Oh, yes, and I should say that because Tim well and truly put us off the line, over the line, I should say, we're starting tonight with Labracadabrador Cam for the first time in a long time. Finally able to catch you live and not on rewatch. Eat.
That's a lot of people.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Sullivan via Zoom for Jonathan DeHaze.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Like the Bears.
Yeah, she's playing hide and seek.
Hard of hearing jokes.
No, it's okay. No, I got you. Your name, sir?
Tried your
Jonathan
best
DeHaze.
and you
All right.
failed miserably. The lesson is never try.
What are we doing?
Hey, Leafy.
Your Honor, there was a matter of a bond violation that was issued. Apparently, the client presented himself on November the 27th. We appeared before the magistrate. He was arraigned on the warrant. There were certain bond conditions that were set, one of which was to check in with community corrections and register. He was also to enroll in a drug testing program. Apparently, there was some confusion about the community corrections contact portion.
Also, I'm
but
turning off the
did
ads because
enroll
we're
in a
well
drug
and truly beyond that.
testing program. He was allowed to test in Macomb County where he lives. And
This dude,
but apparently did not.
Who allowed him to test in Macomb?
I'm sorry. I didn't hear you.
Who allowed him to test in Macomb?
That was the magistrate indicated that at the time of the arraignment. He said he made a test in Macomb County.
Uru Berry's dropping 5 memberships. Thank you. I mean, I already turned off the ads, but I'm in no way going to complain. Thank you. Also, remind me at the end of the show. I've got to send you a message.
Be testing.
He enrolled at a place called Adapt in the city of Warren, and he did.
Congrats
Do
to
we have
Psycho
any
Doll, Andrew
results?
Myers, Leafy,
he submitted
DW3.
one test there. I don't
and
have
John
any
Byrne.
results, but I did have verification from the place that he did in fact.
Is anyone else getting like dollar store Mr. Burns vibes from this attorney? Like he seems unprepared, but at the same time annoying.
Sign up for testing there. Once it was brought to our attention that he had failed to contact community corrections, he did then call community corrections to try to enroll. They told him because the matter was in warrant status, they couldn't address it. We'd have to deal with the court. He turned himself in for immediately or shortly after finding out about this. He presented himself last week to the jail and was told that we'd have to address the issue today because today was his court date, probable cause conference. So I don't think there was any part on Mr. DeHaye's part to not comply. It was just a matter of some confusion on his part about contacting and meeting with community corrections directly. And I think he is 32 years of age. He is working, steadily working. He does have a young child he supports. As I say, he did voluntarily appear both.
Does somebody have the test result? Where he's testing? He didn't do anything. He didn't go for intake, nothing.
I went to.
He didn't go
last
to
week, Your Honor.
but he did enroll in a testing program, and he did attempt to.
Oh shit me! I just realized that the dog's ass is covering the defendant's head. I thought that the guy down here that was just randomly walking around with his phone was the one that was being represented. Okay.
Make an appointment to go to community corrections, but the matter was already in warrant status. So he did appear, as I said, voluntarily, both in November and in December, on learning of this warrant. So he's not. I don't think he's trying to deliberately avoid any responsibility, Your Honor. And if given the opportunity, I do think he would comply. He does have counsel. He is anxious to address this matter. He asked the court to consider reinstating his bond. Thank you.
Landy, before you explode.
Thank you
Yes.
so much, Your Honor. Your Honor, the people are going to request that the court review the bond decision made by the magistrate in this case and find an abuse of discretion. The facts alleged in this case are, first of all, that this is an OWI third offense.
Can I just say, you're
Yeah.
saying on the original one? Go ahead.
Yes, the original one, right? I understand the bond has been denied right now, but the conditions ordered by the magistrate, the people appeal were an abuse of discretion and were not sufficient to ensure public safety. This is an alleged OWI third offense with an alcohol BAC of 0.120, cocaine and THC were also present in the defendant's system. I think if I didn't already say, there was a crash, and his priors are from 2017 and 2021. People would request that he have at least intermediate, if not strict supervision from community corrections, as well as an alcohol test in place prior to any release.
Damn.
Anything else, counsel? I
Oh,
mean, is he in a treatment program? Or is he just
Wait. That just zoomed in and out of focus. Is that guy lighting? You know what? Never mind.
testing?
it's just testing. That was all he was ordered to do at the time of the arraignment on the November the 27th. And he's working.
Oh, good. You're out of the splint.
He
Glad to hear it.
supports a young child. He's, as I say, he turned himself in not only on the original warrant, but he turned himself in voluntarily as soon as he found out that there was a violation. He immediately turned himself in, and the communication that I received from the court was either he has to turn himself in or they'll address it at the time of the probable cause conference.
Yes, look, I will just address this very, very briefly. Hang on, let me bring it up here as the main cam. So, because she's got osteoarthritis in her back hips, we've got her on a bit of a diet, so she's losing a little bit of weight, and because she was struggling to get up, we've put little socks on her to give her a little bit of extra purchase and grip with her back legs so that she can get up and move around. Short answer is yes, she's wearing socks.
Which was today. He turned himself in as soon as he could, which was turned out to be last week, and he's been in jail for the last 6 days.
Yeah, because otherwise it's
so
literally like
I don't
a
think there's any
Wile E. Coyote cartoon with the.
attempt on his part to try to avoid his responsibilities here.
Right.
Am I
but
wearing socks?
counsel,
I'm not even wearing
I'm
pants.
not clear how we got a PR out of the gate if the allegations are even near true.
Well, he is charged with an OUIL 3. That is true. That was known to the magistrate at the time.
Okay, so what we've got so far in this hearing is this gentleman has committed some fairly serious crimes, and Judge Wilson's sitting there going, how the hell was he released on his own personal recognizance in the first place? The magistrate's clearly fucked up here, and ding. I don't think I'm fairly confident this guy isn't going to get a decent bond. So let's just wait and see.
We presented information about his background as I've done here today. And the magistrate's the one that set the bond conditions. So I'm not sure. There was nothing unusual about the case.
A little bit, yeah.
There was no injury involved in the case. It is still just the 5-year max. So I don't think there was anything that the magistrate was not aware of under the circumstances, certainly from the face of the file or any additional information. As I say, we provided his background information, which I've restated here today. So he is employed, and has been for some time, and he has.
Okay, so first of all,
Uh-oh.
let's back up a second. I don't have any results from any testing that he has allegedly done. Let's make that clear. You're telling me that I don't have anything.
Chickadee buck. Cheers, buddy.
I mean, from this side, counsel, understand this looks like he didn't go to community corrections, hasn't tested, hasn't done anything.
Well, I don't disagree with that, except that he did contact community corrections after the matter was in warrant status and attempted to get enrolled with them, and they told him they were not able to process him because
There was already a warrant out for his arrest. They're not going. Why would they bother going to all the effort of organizing drug testing for the guy when he should have shortly been behind? Oh my god. Okay, all right.
matter was in was in warrant status. He also voluntarily appeared. He didn't wait till today's date. He came in early to present himself to try to address this situation early. And they said because there was no bond that was issued with.
Yeah, I should be very clear about this, people. I try to put out the notifications. The best place you can do is Aussie Overlaw'd at locals, because at least then you get an email, or in the Discord, because I've got an automatic thing that posts in there to let everyone know when I set up the stream. YouTube, for whatever reason, rarely ever provides my regular viewers with a notification. So I try and be here on time. If you don't see a stream generally 5 or 10 minutes before the hour, I'm probably asleep, to be perfectly blunt and frank. I try and be consistent.
With the order that he had to sit there.
Beautifully
and had sat there
inappropriate,
for
thank
6
you.
days. So he has obviously suffered some penalty.
Where are the test results?
Your Honor, I don't have them with me. I
I'll
don't
tell you
have
what.
test results.
Before I do anything, because you're just going around in circles. You're telling me all of this stuff, but it doesn't make any sense to me because I don't have any test results. You're telling me he contacted community corrections after he's in bench warrant status. I have someone that's obviously a user. I don't have any testing whatsoever. Never reporting to community corrections. In my opinion, that poses a danger to the public because I don't know what he's doing. He's not in any treatment.
We know I suck at grifting, okay? We know that I suck at telling people to hit the like button, double check whether or not you're subscribed, let you know that I've got a Discord, let you know that I've got locals. I rarely ever remember to do any of that shit, okay? Psycho Dog can tell you, because I constantly am getting berated for my lack of skill in that area. So, no, that's not on you, okay? You get the notification when the lives are finished. Sounds about right. Rely on the Discord or paying attention to the time. If I haven't seen a notification by 11 p.m., I check the community posts. Well, there you go.
And he's not in anything.
Well,
I'll give him a bond.
Doesn't
But it's
the
not gonna
file
be
reflect
low.
that he was allowed to test in Macomb County? Because she put that on the record. The magistrate did.
But I don't have the results.
I
Follow
understand.
me here.
I
He
understand.
still would have to go to community corrections. He could test then in Macomb County. He has to sign a release. Those results get sent to us. I don't have any of that.
Understood. I'm simply
This is
asking
why you
that
don't
the court
test out of
allow him
state.
to be discharged,
Sorry,
be
out of
released
county,
on
I
a
should say.
bond. He can report to community corrections before he's released
Tell
from
you
jail.
what I'll do. Because I honestly, counsel, you're not hearing me. So maybe somebody can figure it out. I'll set his bond at this point. I'll give him a bond. I think he's entitled to a bond now that he's appeared, albeit however he's appearing. I'll set his bond at 50,000 cash surety. I'll consider
Appreciate you just being here.
looking at that. If somebody can provide me test results and I can set adequate conditions in regard to his supervision. But other than that, I'm not doing anything else.
Your Honor, would
Yes, Ms. Lundy.
the court consider at least a 10% provision on that bond? I mean,
What?
would the court consider at least a 10% provision or something? Maybe.
No. You're just not following this at all.
I'm following that he went from a personal bond to now a $50,000 cash surety bond, and I don't frankly understand. He's voluntarily turned himself in twice in this matter in less than a month's time. I know the court doesn't have any.
That's the fourth time you told me that. I get it.
But it's a substantial bond modification. And
Ms. Lundy.
Thank you, Your Honor. If
Assault, drug possession, with intent to sell, and hang on. What was it? Oh, they didn't put it in the description.
the defendant is released, will that be with a scram alcohol tether if he's able to
Yes.
post a $50,000 bond? I'm so sorry, I didn't hear the court.
Yes,
Thank you.
it would be with a scram tether and intermediate supervision through community corrections.
Ooh. That's what
So
reporting
what
twice a
I'll
week
do,
at
in
least.
fairness to your client, counsel, because I don't, if those results are out there, you can get a document from him to get the results so that I can have the results, and I may consider something else regarding his bond, or I may not. But I'll give you a week to get that. I'll just adjourn this out 1 week to the 26th, and we can see what we can come up with. If I don't have any testing, I'm not changing.
All right, can we schedule this matter for an exam?
Is all discovery complete?
Yes.
I didn't hear your answer.
Catch me outside. How about that?
People have their witnesses available in a second.
We'll try, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person,
gonna
January
come.
2nd, 2025 at 12 noon. That's before me.
Oh, was the audio that bad?
Yeah.
Hang on. Sorry, some of them are still a little like until they get used for the first time. I don't really pay attention.
You tried your best,
Oh,
and you
okay.
failed
Okay.
miserably. Never try.
How did the fart one reset again as well? I might have to sort that out.
Good room to do it.
Broke on here.
Okay, there's the jury deliberation.
Okay, I'll go there.
Right. Can you make sure she sees the jury deliberation?
Better just one more item on this.
I'm sorry?
Sorry, I just had one
He's
more
like,
question.
he's like, bitch, you are testing my patience.
Regarding the DeHaze matter.
Sure.
Is the court, did the
He's
court
not
say,
here anymore. He's been taken back, but go ahead.
okay, procedurally, did the court say it would entertain a request for a bond or review the bond again upon presentment of some information regarding the testing?
I need to see that he's testing. You're
Okay.
telling me he was testing.
Right.
I
Show
don't
me the
see it.
test.
Thank you. I'll see what I can come
Show
up with. Thank you.
me the test.
Also the case, people of the state of Michigan versus Renata Diamond.
Okay, it was that for the start of the day. Wow. I have to wonder if Dr. Phil gets a cut of her OnlyFans sales, sort of a clandestine finder's fee, if you will. Oh, all right. I did want to cover one of the news articles first, though. Colorado driver busted for DUI crash explained to the cops that he was a professional drinker. After causing a 3-car crash, a Colorado man whose BAC was later measured at 4 times the legal limit explained to arresting officers that he was a professional drinker, according to the arrest report. That's all well and good. That in no way affects whether or not you are over the legal limit to drive. Investigators busted Matthew Kempman. Is this a Nick? No. Colorado, not Minnesota. Matthew Kempman, 34, a Denver resident, for driving under the influence, careless driving, and operating an uninsured vehicle following a Wednesday afternoon accident earlier this month. According to police, Kempman... Well, yeah, who else is it going to be? Seen it right, for God's sakes. Plowed his... Oh my God, his 2000 Nissan Sentra into the rear of a Subaru, of course it was, that was stopped in traffic on a street in Wheat Ridge, a Denver suburb. The Subaru then lurched forward and hit a third car. When the cops contacted Campman, he allegedly smelled of booze, had bloodshot eyes, and his speech was slurred. When one officer asked another if there was an indication of drug use on his part, the suspect piped in, "No drugs, man, just been drinking a lot." Shut the fuck up, Friday. It's not that difficult. Clearly, he was in the case of, I had the right to remain silent, but I did not have the ability. Campman would go on to explain that he is no amateur. Matthew told me that he was a professional drinker while slurring his speech, the cops noted. He later described himself as a professional alcoholic while preparing to take a breath test that would eventually read a record of 0.326, the state limit being 0.08. 4 times. How was he even standing, let alone drinking, let alone driving? I have no idea. A search of him of Kempman who consumed 10 drinks. Wait, you got a BAC of 0.326 off 10 drinks? Was this in an hour? Like, damn. He recovered an empty Jim Beam shooter from his pants pocket, while numerous empty and full Jim Beam shooters and several empty Modelo beer cans littered the car floorboards. Police later released him into the custody of his wife, who was a sober driver. I would hope so. In 2020, a Florida man assured the cops that I'm a professional drinker after being pulled over for speeding. George Emanuel, now 59, had a BAC nearly triple the legal limit. Arrested for DUI, he later copped a reduced charge of reckless driving and was sentenced to 12 months probation, ordered to perform 50 hours of community service and attend DUI school. Because that always makes such the career alcoholics, doesn't it? Spend about $11 billion a year fighting a fucking plant annually. Which plant? Christmas trees? He was 1/3 alcohol? I know, right? Willing to bet he couldn't get SR22 insurance. Huh. Who does he think he is, a Boston cop? Sir, do you understand how much alcohol's in your blood? What blood? Yeah, don't stress, peeps. I'll throw up the link in a minute. Don't worry. That's more of a sentence for wife having to drive his rear to those classes and service. Yep. All right, so let's move on to the main event of tonight. As I said, this is a double feature. This is a jealous girlfriend who hits the side chick with a car after catching her boyfriend cheating. Shortly thereafter, she has another go. This should be interesting. I'm going to play this at 1.25 because it's both of these videos are already in the 20 to 30 minute mark. And, oh, see, aren't you good, Burberries? Getting ahead of it like that. I'm even going to be a good host and pin that as well. There we go.
1. Officers responded to a call of a battery with a vehicle. A woman had been following her boyfriend who was not answering his phone, which led to an altercation outside of a Subway restaurant.
Subway, eat fresh.
What happened?
Oh my god, he was giving the side chick his 6.
What happened?
No, I got hit by a car.
Did she hit you? Who hit her? Did you hit her or?
Yeah, that's why I'm still here.
Okay. All right. What hurts?
This whole leg, I cannot move.
All right, no problem. The medics are coming for you, okay? You have your ID on you? What happened? How'd you
We're already off to a good start.
She's gonna opt out, and I was like,
One vehicle is going to be vehicle versus pedestrian.
I didn't even know she was in the car. Though. I'm sorry.
Hello there.
Kroll, can you get her 14? Hey.
Everything right here.
Who was that that dropped in?
Kayla. Did she hit you on accident?
Oh, hey, Flux.
Can my mom
Another
come?
crime he called a
Yeah.
Subway restaurant. Subway a restaurant.
We're at Parker and Southern.
We're on Parker and Southern at a Subway.
What a
Parker
cheap date.
and Southern.
Yes, clarify. Again, she's wearing socks because of her arthritis. They help her get
You
up.
need to talk to them and tell them what's going on.
Out of a car, and she hit me.
She hit you?
Yes.
Dude wasn't even a grower, let alone a shower.
Yes. Oh my god.
She jumped out of the
It
car.
was filmed in Minnesota.
And then she got hit by the car.
I
That's
don't
what she's
believe
saying.
so, no.
Oh my god, Mom, I'm so sorry.
Why is the chick that got hit saying she's sorry?
It's all right here. It hurts so bad. I tried to hurt some, but it hurts.
Yeah, mofo, it's just for her back
Oh my
legs.
God, why me?
Got arthritis in her hips and it's helping her get up.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
You have an ID?
I got it for you.
I just on my phone.
You jumped out of another car? I got your phone. And this
Is this healthy? That's up for debate. That's subjective.
Did you jump out of another vehicle?
Yes.
You did? What?
Because he told me to.
Okay.
And I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to get in the car.
Whose car were you in?
Can I please have my phone? I just feel weird not having it.
Which car were you in? This one over here?
Okay. Oh my God.
Yeah, she's on a diet now too, my fuck.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh my God. I can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so
That poor no, Flux. The poor girl that hit her is the crazy girlfriend. This spirals very quickly. Don't get me wrong. At this point, the girl that got hit, I don't believe she knows that the guy she was screwing in the subway parking lot had a girlfriend, but the jealous girlfriend is the one that ran her over. And it's going to go far downhill. Okay? We've got 2 videos on this chick.
Oh my God.
No trauma, right? No, okay.
Trauma, but not trauma alert.
All right.
Can I grab your ID and all that?
Is my license going to be revoked for this?
What's that?
Is my license going to be revoked?
For what?
An accidental leave?
No. You need your license, your insurance. Can you run the tag?
Sorry?
What happened?
I was following my friend and she got out of the car.
It's one of them in the red light
driving,
district. I don't think so.
And I guess it's sort of like, and then like, I felt like,
Where were you?
no, like, I was like, I kept driving.
Where-
and I heard it,
where
here,
were
this
you?
area.
Okay. So you pulled,
So
you
then, like,
pulled in here?
Yeah, from this way. Out
Okay.
that way. But then like I turned around.
Pulled in,
Yeah.
dropped off.
No, I was driving
Somebody.
behind my friend. And
Okay.
then she came out his car. But I just kept driving to follow him. And like
Where did she come from?
the car.
Okay. You're gonna have to explain this a little better.
So you was coming in this parking lot right here, right, Colette?
I'm so sorry.
Colette, it's fine. Okay. Do you need medics to check you out?
No, I didn't get hurt.
Okay.
I did not get hurt.
Okay.
Yes.
He has it. So you was off of over there. You was cutting this way, right?
Following a friend, yeah.
Okay. And then what happened?
And she hopped out the car.
Like near the dumpster?
Right here. And I just kept driving when she hopped out.
So she hopped out the car that was going into traffic or was she already
Into
traveling?
traffic. So I was following the car still.
Okay. She hopped out with the back seat or the passenger side?
The back seat.
The back seat passenger side or back seat driver side?
Passenger.
So she jumped out the car.
And I kept driving. And
Oh,
then
yeah.
I felt like I hit her and I backed up. I was like, oh shit. So I went to turn around. Because like,
You
I
felt
was gonna like leave her there.
right. Do you know like what part of your car you felt that hit her?
The front.
And you didn't hit another car. You just hit her.
There was no traffic.
That,
This might be from it. I don't know. No, actually no. I ran into a gate earlier. I'm sorry. I ran into a gate.
today?
I don't believe she's traveling on the land.
Yeah, following my friend.
Red
So
light
following
makes
your
it
friend,
look
you
like
ran
she's
into a
not wearing
gate.
a
Following
top.
your friend, you hit this pedestrian.
Not into a gate, like ran into it, but you know like the curves. There's like a gate and then there's a curve. I was on like I hit where the like.
Okay, so
That
what
lighting
part of your car
looks
hit
kind
her?
of like a dollar store version of AOC.
I know this side.
Just without the booty, I suppose. I don't know.
How fast were you going, you think, when you hit her?
Not too fast, but I mean it's a heavy car.
Yeah, it's a heavy car.
Exclamation mark $1, all one word.
From jumping out the car, or
What's that?
For example.
from jumping out the car,
I don't
or
know. Yeah, I can't figure that part
'cause
out.
I can't see any
Yeah, no damage.
nothing indicating.
It's from another vehicle or...
Yeah, she said she ends up hitting a gate earlier, following a friend.
Yeah, it seemed like she had a left knee responsible for injury. Left eye.
Left
Not
eye, so
only do
that-
you
that
not
would've been like from
date
that,
crazy,
bam.
you don't put your dick in crazy. You just don't.
But then she would have sat on here.
See something, but...
How fast do you think you were traveling?
Not fast. It was like in here, so it was pretty slow. Like,
Fair.
and there was a car, my friend's car in front of me, so not really fast.
Where'd your friend go to?
He kept driving.
He left you?
He left, like yeah, he left her. Like I guess he's dropping her off. I don't know.
So she was traveling in the car with your friend?
Yeah. I don't know.
So you know her then?
No, I don't know. Personally, I don't know. Hello?
The
this your
side
friend
chick
right
is the
here?
one that got run over and has the leg injury.
So she jumped out the car.
I had no idea, bro.
That's what I'm saying. She jumped out the car with her friend. The friend that she was.
Where?
The friend that she was following. She claims right here, and that's probably right there, because she says that she was following her friend. She jumped out. That person jumped out that friend's car.
Coming this way.
Coming this way. So and she hit him. The friend.
This
who she's
story
talking
makes
about,
no
took
sense
off.
whatsoever. Lying through her teeth.
And so she says she doesn't know her, but you're following a friend. And she was in your friend's car. You know, that's like. So there's some like gravel underneath this one, which probably there's gravel and dirt underneath this one.
Yeah.
Probably to go with that fence, but
He said this side, but you don't see damage.
there's some damage underneath here, and there's a little piece in the road.
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.
So she said that she was following her friend. The pedestrian jumped out the friend's car. She hit her. Didn't know she hit her, so she backed up. Friend took off. So you know her? No. But the friend who you was following, he was in the car. Sarge. You see those tire tracks?
I can't complain.
And this gravel right here.
Spent a good chunk of the day in the mod chat, so that was helpful.
So she claims that she hit a gate earlier. That left side, that's what caused that, following that same friend.
I kind of want to take it, but I also don't.
Track right here, there's marks right here. Yeah.
What it boils down to, yeah.
Yeah, what's that flashlight? That's what has the prongs in the front. Okay. Colette, do you know what this is? Is it Colette? You don't have to touch it. Do you know what it is?
Christine, they're not actual dollars. I should clarify. It's channel reward currency.
And you didn't hit this bush, did you?
Damn
You got
straight.
cameras here. It's over there. It's over there. There's nothing over there too. There's cameras all over.
Yeah, with a 4.
It looks like prongs.
It's a taser, right?
I don't know.
Take pictures of it and go on to find out what the 4 is.
Yeah, because I've just got that to hand out to everybody, haven't I? Get Trooper Paul on the case.
Colette, you gotta hang out over here, okay? I don't want anybody else running into you. Who was your friend that you was following? It was a guy or a girl? He's not gonna come back for you?
He's not gonna come back.
Why wouldn't he come back for you?
He's gonna he's a little.
Because he's worried you're gonna run his ass over too.
He's like, I don't know why I do that. And I understand, like.
I mean, that was his friend though, right? He knew the girl. Yeah. Is that like a boyfriend of yours? The guy you was following, that was a boyfriend? Yeah, okay.
But I don't know, like.
Oh, hang on. We got a very important question here. What do you have on top of your pavlova at Christmas, and what is the best topping? So there are multiple things. Traditionally, passion fruit, strawberries, whipped cream, and a Cadbury flake. You can do without the passion fruit and strawberries and just do the whipped cream and the flake, but for the most part, that should sort you out for the most. He's not coming back for either of them if he's smart. Hell no.
I didn't know she was in the car. He was just like, oh, like, follow me, da-da-da. Like,
Yeah.
when she jumped out.
Who the hell puts
Is that
kiwi
so
fruit
who's the
on
girl
it?
that he was with? Somebody?
Oh wait, people that think that
Somebody who he's
it
dating
belongs
now,
to the
or-
Kiwis. That makes sense.
Just hanging out today. So,
You guys are hanging out earlier today?
I don't think he was.
Did you see her in the car with her?
Nah, that's the thing. I didn't see her at all.
Did he? Is that him on the phone?
I think that might be a
Can you
coding
call
issue,
him?
Breweries.
'Cause, I
I'll
mean,
have a
if
look
he
at it
jumped on his
later.
car, he could probably witness that. Can you call him and ask him to come back?
Dude, he ain't coming back. What are you kidding me?
Because she's saying that was a boyfriend.
He was driving the
He was driving the other car.
Her boyfriend?
Yep. And this is her other boyfriend's car. So she jumped out the boyfriend's car. Didn't claims that she didn't know that she was in the car.
So the other car.
The look on that cop's face as he was working it out. What's pavlova? It's a Christmas dessert, basically made out of whipped egg whites, for the most part. That's funny.
She said her boyfriend. She keep another girl. So the girl jumps out the back. So it almost seemed like she was like a.
That makes it sound more like an egg guy.
Like more of a frustration. Like this is another boy. This is another boyfriend that she.
Frank, thank you. I can't.
Who owns this car? What's his name? Dean.
Where does
Dean, but we don't live together.
Where does he live?
How old is Dean? 50?
Probably a guy that's done with both of them. He sowed his wild oats with a side chick, and now he knows that the main one's just a.
How long do you think I'll be detained for?
I don't know. I think he's just trying to figure out what's going on, make sure the young lady's okay and all that. Obviously, we'll probably have to call for a ride or something. Somebody come get the car. We're trying to give Dean an opportunity to come get his car, right?
I'm having to call for a ride when I get
Good
out.
luck.
Can you get what?
When I get out.
I mean.
Oh yes, I just realised there'd be a whole bunch of you that haven't been here that don't know. This is Angel.
It's Master Chef, not Master Bates.
Angel the Labracadabrador.
When you leave right from right here.
Yeah. From here.
I mean, if you leave from here, you need to ride home, right?
Oh, I can't take my car.
I don't know. That's why we're trying to get in contact with Dean now. He might have to come get He might have to come get the car.
Hello.
That I can understand.
I don't know. So the other officer said that I'm being detained.
Detained just means you can't go anywhere because we're talking to you.
Oh.
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained right now.
Just standing here.
They're standing here, so that means you can't go anywhere. You're being detained.
But I'm not being arrested.
You don't have any cuffs on you. You're not arrested right now.
Generally, that would be a thing, I think.
I mean,
Who is this, Dean?
No. Should I call Dean?
Yeah, let's get him on the phone.
I leave. Like I can't take my car.
Let's get Dean on the phone. So then that way you let him know that you're involved in an accident, and if he could respond out here to this area.
I'm pretty sure he knows, officer.
I just sent him the location. Let me text him.
I think she made contact with him. He just needs to come get the car.
Yeah, he just needs to come get the car.
Okay.
Sorry?
He needs to be talking, so we just wait. Not wait forever. We'll just not a reasonable amount of time. You want to talk to him?
It's in good shape.
Can you put him on speakerphone? Do you mind talking? We just don't.
Hello, Dean. Hello, this is Sergeant Cole in the city of West Palm Beach. The car is fine. It's all in drivable condition. Has some minor damage on the front end.
Surprisingly, Lil Pill, that actually would be a normal set of toppings for a pavlova. I mean, personally, I wouldn't necessarily go the mango jelly just because I'm not a mango guy. Probably swap it out for raspberry. But yeah, no, that's actually a tropical flavored pavlova.
But it was involved in an incident tonight, so we can't leave with her. But if you come, you can come pick it up.
And she's under arrest.
For aggravated battery, okay?
Can I go in the front instead of the back?
No.
Does it go to hurt like that?
If you keep your hands together, like this.
Aggravated battery?
Yes.
There we go. They put two and two together.
That's up to, you'll see the judge first thing in the morning, okay?
Will I be able to take a shower?
That's all the questions you're going to have to ask at the jail, okay?
Do you have anything in your pockets?
I think so. I have my house key in there.
She's
right here.
But she's about to be detained and taken with us.
Okay, can I answer this question? It's not a DUI?
No, not a DUI.
Oh, okay, is she going to be arrested?
Yes.
Okay, may I ask why?
Battery.
31.
But that's your guys' place to talk about that stuff. So I'll let her.
No, what I'm saying is this, and I know you can only tell me so much. Should I be in a position to attempt to bail her out?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any information you can tell me as to what
She'll be able to call you from inside. You know his number off the top of that, right? She'll be able to call you from inside and give you the bail amount. You'll have to see a judge, so it may not be until tomorrow. Do you have arrest history? What?
I don't know.
Have you been arrested before?
Yeah.
How do you not know if you've got an arrest
Sometimes
history?
they set the bond based on past history, but it's not a whole bunch of stuff. It'll probably be a very low amount.
Okay, and I apologize for asking this question.
Oh, I can't. Oh, okay.
Okay. If I go to take Uber to pick up her car, okay? And then let's
Do
just
I
say
get these
it's
other cases off too?
what would be
Yeah.
the time frame that she could call me
It's,
in order for me to help her?
it's probably gonna be like 3 a.m. 3 or 4 a.m.
What time is it now?
12:30.
So I won't be able to call anybody till 3?
Probably whenever they get you booked in. She can hear you.
Okay, tell them I'm gonna pick up the car, bring it here. Okay, so it's nice and safe. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is you just call me.
This one you have to do like all this and then sort of like.
She hears you. She's also dealing with the other officers as well. But she'll call you from inside, and then you guys can work on bail then. You're not allowed.
Given he was just sticking it in his side piece, and that's the reason that she got ran over, he's remarkably calm and helpful in this scenario. Is all I'm saying.
Where you gonna be? You come over here.
How many minutes? How much you drive?
He's got whatever. Come on, takes Uber to get here. All right, she hears you. She's stepping away now though. Oh, we have to search her other stuff is already in there. Yeah, she said. Do you want him to have his stuff?
We
have the key here. Her stuff is her stuff fine in the car?
How many phone calls can I make?
Well, you're not going to make another phone call until you get to county jail.
How many can I make?
I don't know. They'll let you know. You can make as many as you want.
The pimp is strong with that one.
All of her property's in the car. That's all fine to stay in there, correct? Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. Bill comes back to you. That's why we're contacting you. No. Her key is going to stay with the car right now. I said all her other properties are it's fine to stay in there, correct? I don't know. All right, we'll see you when you get here then.
But is it the club scene or is it just...
I don't know. If it was aggravated, would I have turned around to like help
There you
her?
go,
That's
Fish.
not what I'm understanding. Like, I didn't even know she was cheating, dog. As much as I care about her.
Are we doing cake solely or something else random to laugh at? Well, we've got 4 minutes left on this video. We've got part 2 of this when she has a go at the boyfriend.
Tag and then work counterclockwise.
And then, yeah, sure, why not? We can have a look at what you got.
Okay.
I'm going to apologize in advance. I'm embarrassingly blind.
And what's her relationship?
Hey, Becky, thank you.
Just friends.
What the hell just happened to my
Known her
voice?
for quite a while. But can I ask you this? And I know there's only so much you can say. Is it bad?
Oh, hang on.
My pet goldfish 101 said just because.
Oh, cheers, mate. Appreciate it. Hang on. Okay, serious question. If she purposely ran the cheating slag down, why did she stop to stick around for the cops? Because surprisingly, like, this is actually what I've seen. In these sorts of love triangle scenarios, you can be completely calm after assaulting the other party. Not me personally. I'm saying I've seen it from other people, and I think she tried to stay like calm and go, well, I need to tell my side of the story to at least make it seem like I didn't actually intentionally hit her. Either that or she's just batshit crazy, which is altogether possible.
Is she going to, well, I don't know what happened in all sincerity. And you said assault. Does that mean like a fist fight? Or does that mean like, because you said there was damage in the car, does that mean she tried to hit another
Did you
car?
want to see the car?
Oh, please.
I mean, you got some. Were you aware? Has this car been in an accident?
Well, here's what's funny that you say that. You have a flashlight there, Sergeant? Oh, well, hold on, I do.
I got a flashlight on it.
Oh, you do?
Wow,
Okay.
he was not
Is
worth.
this what you're
He
talking
was
about?
not worth it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the other night, we were actually out to dinner like Saturday night in Clematis. And Sunday, we didn't know until like after the fact that somebody had hit us.
Okay.
And that's a claim like literally in process. I legit was going to go to the dealership
Sleep well, Deanna.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Right. So this didn't just happen. This was like Saturday. Okay.
Okay.
And so Progressive is my insurance company. There's an open claim there, Sergeant. And I was going to take it to Mercedes tomorrow. Probably the one on Okeechobee.
Fucking Mercedes
so
too.
That was like
So that was from
old
Saturday.
news,
Okay.
Old news. Now. The other thing I was going to ask you. So, and I don't know.
That's true. I'd be more expecting actual slices of mango.
She hit a car, a person, a building.
We don't know exactly what the vehicle hit.
Oh,
I don't know exactly what the vehicle hit.
But the charge was assault, so I didn't know if that meant assault with a car.
Yeah.
You hit somebody physically.
It'd just be crazy.
I mean, she'll give you a call. It does look like so. This damages wasn't here. It was the other damage.
I know, that's what I'm saying. He was not worth going to jail for, but dude must be hung like a Subway sandwich because how does he pull 2 chicks? Like, don't get me wrong, she was an easy 4, and we didn't get to see the other chick because she was blurred out. But still, let's average it out and say 2 4s is still a solid 7 if you can get them at the same time. You know? Wasn't the guy there when the side girl got hit? Couldn't he get done for leaving the scene? They can't prove it. How can I not like mango? I'm just not a fan of the flavor. It's just it is what it is.
This is brand new.
Okay.
And listen, and I know you have a job to do, and I appreciate your
Probably
service.
has money. Good point.
Was it something really messed up?
I don't even know the details. Like, I kind of stayed over here while the officers was talking
Do
to
you
her.
mind if I ask, how did you get called into it? Like, was it a...
It came out as an accident. It was an
Oh,
accident that
you
occurred.
fucking liar. You were in the goddamn car.
What's up?
Okay. We're going to go out to eat tonight. And she said, nah, I'm not feeling good. I'll see you tomorrow.
None taken,
And that's
quick
when you
quotes.
wish you guys had gone out to eat.
Gone out to eat.
You know what I mean? It's
Absolutely.
it's like something happens, it takes 2 seconds, and the aftermath takes forever. It's like, crap.
2 Charlie Fire Sergeant Coven.
You're welcome.
Now she'll call me like collect if you know, like from the jail or whatever.
You don't need to speak to her at all, do you? Yes.
Come on, 20 of you haven't done your job. Smack that like button.
Oh, does this suck?
Hit that like button like she hit the other one with the car.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as she gets booked in and
Hello,
everything,
Karen.
they'll get her settled, and she'll start making whatever phone calls that she needs to make, and I'm sure she'll give you a call and give you some of the information on that.
Yeah, the thing that blows is these things happen in real life, and it's like,
I was actually you're thinking that he might have
The
actually
woman was
talked
charged
himself
with
into one.
aggravated battery with a deadly weapon and given no contact orders pertaining to the victim and her boyfriend at the time. The charges, however, were dismissed. Share your...
Wow. So depending on the state, it's either that the victim refused to cooperate, presumably because she realized, oh shit, I was fucking this girl's boyfriend, or the cops for whatever reason declined to pursue the charges as well. Wow. Yeah, dismissed. But people, remember, that's just part 1 of this entire situation. Okay? We still have part 2. Oh, sorry in advance.
On July 25th, 2024, officers responded to an assault in a parking garage. The victim claimed to have been...
All right. I feel like you need to clarify that pavlova is not a giant meringue. They are sweeter, solid, and like hard. Pavlova is more airy and light with a crunchy outer layer and soft inside. Yeah, if you imagine it like a cake, like like think of the same sort of scenario. The outside of the cake is fully cooked, but the inside of the cake is still doughy. You've got for a pavlova, you've got the outside crispy layer that's like sugary and stuff, but on the inside, it's like a really soft, like fluffy marshmallow sort of consistency. Yes, apologies for the headphone warning. And I really hope I open the right damn video. And this is the scene.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
hit in the head with a bottle, and witnesses say the assailant attempted to run him over with a vehicle.
She's calling, so I can't get out of it.
She's with my partner.
Can you grab the juvenile trouble, please, on Rosemary?
I don't know, sir. Yeah, she's up there with officers on the bicycle.
Hey, Andrew.
Like a half hour ago.
Yeah.
This looks like a different dude. So unless it's a chick. I may have to go back and read the message that I got from the person that sent these to me just to be safe. No, it's definitely not the same dude. So unless it's the same chick trying to run someone else over.
I told her to get out of here before they came.
But it didn't look like it. Now I'm concerned. I shall check messages.
But I'm not making any sense.
Let me get your ID, boss. Yes, sir. All of our cameras are on. Let me just grab your name.
She didn't try to run me over. She tried to run towards her car to get out.
Okay.
All right.
No problem.
My adrenaline's racing. I
I understand. What's your first name, boss? One more minute.
He's breathing. Not with that above.
Okay, from what I gather, it's the same chick, but I may have played them out of order.
What's that bottle? No, it's a bottle on the seat. But what just broke? Bottle?
I just wanted you to see that. I didn't touch it. She got no marks on her. So that's really anything.
Hold on 1 second.
I'm gonna call my
Ma'am, how you doing? Good, good. Can you tell me what happened briefly?
So, I just got back from lunch. I'm going to find a parking spot. I'm getting to the second floor. And
Pretty sure this is just a witness.
That gentleman, he was in between all these cars, and all I see is her. I thought it was actually like a parking spot. And all I see is her just literally about to hit him. And about to hit the other cars. She was about to hit him and the other cars. And he's over there screaming, telling her to. He's over there telling her to scream and telling her to stop, stop, stop.
When you say hit him, how?
With the car. Like she was about to run him over.
So she's following him. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
she was literally following him.
Okay.
And he was looking like he needed help and everything, so I just kept stopping to make sure he was okay because I didn't want that to happen. And all I saw was him recording, telling her to stop. She got out the
Look,
car.
for me, she's probably a solid 4.5, but that's why they invented paper bags.
When I seen her in the back seat. And then that's when I left and I got to the 4th floor. All I see is him trying to leave, trying to escape, and she kept following him with the car. And then that was the last thing I seen until I got to the 4th floor and I parked. That's when I seen her. She almost ran me over, getting out the car.
Were you on foot or in your car? When
I was on foot when I got out. I was already on foot.
Come on, what do you come here for if not the edgy jokes and the bad videos?
Like the back of my car.
Yep.
That's when she came onto the 4th floor and started speeding through and went to the roof.
Gotcha. Better hold on to that video, man. Yeah.
That's a witness?
Huh?
That's a witness?
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't play him out of order. Thank you. He's just that crazy.
You work at a club downtown?
I own the Hairline Barbershop.
Where's that? On what street?
Tommy's Lakes, but I'm not here to do anything.
Hey. He's not being cooperative, but he just showed me a video of her hitting him in the head with a bottle. The bottle smashed on his head.
Damn. He's violent.
Did she say what the relationship is? All right, yeah, she's a 15 then, bro.
I'm sorry, but he said she's a 15. That wasn't even me that said it. Okay, I get that that's a cop code, but the joke around here is that if you're a 15, much like blackjack, you don't know whether or not you'd hit it. Okay? The fact that the cop is the one that said that, so I didn't have to, was hilarious. Excuse me.
No, he's
hey,
not
Black
being
Horse.
cooperative. But if she's saying that they were dating, she's a 10-15. Because we got a witness that said she saw this lady chasing him through the garage, trying to run him over. She got out of the car and smashed a bottle over his head. It's 3831, bro. It's ag assault.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
93 Charlie 4.
Turn the car off. And then now you gotta tell me what happened.
802 on that car, please, on back in.
Come here.
Already has a background for assault with a deadly weapon. Like, you have to... Oh, surely you've at least run the plates by now and you've seen her record. Get her out of the car, or you could be next.
Come here.
I'm tired of victim blaming. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. No, you cannot come in my car.
Relax.
Sorry, I have a visitor. Give me 2 seconds, people. Actually, you know what? I can just turn off the main camera. Little one has woken up and I...
Relax.
You cannot come in my car.
Stop it.
No, you cannot come in my car. And you have no authority to come in my car.
You need to come outside. You need to come outside and tell me your side.
I can tell you my story from inside my car.
You need to tell me outside.
You got it.
Okay, let me have the car key. Let me have the car. Just relax. Listen. I understand.
I'm tired
I understand. I just want to talk to you and I want to get your side.
No, because you're still gonna say it's
Listen,
my fault.
I'm biased. I'm unbiased. I'm unbiased. I'm unbiased. I'm unbiased. I need to know your side, dear. I need to know your side. I need you to tell me what's going on.
Bro, this man has been abusing me for 8 months, bro. And then he's gonna victim. I didn't let him go to jail for 8 months.
Wait. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
All we got from witnesses is a white female red dress. She went to the roof.
Bike 2. I'm 1012.
Bro, I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. I'm so tired of it.
First floor. Hey, okay. First off, let's start off with this, okay? What is your name, dear?
I'm not telling you my name.
I need to know your name.
I'm not telling you.
I have to know who you are.
I'm not telling you.
I'm conducting an investigation. You have to tell me who it
problem.
is.
That's not my problem.
Okay, so then do you want to go to jail for not telling me your name?
I can't go to jail for not telling you my
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
At this point, you absolutely can.
No, because I'm tired of it. Like this man, I have photos of him abusing me.
Okay, well,
I need you to come out.
I need you to come out the car. Listen to me. Listen to me. I understand you're going through a lot right now, and it's probably a very, very stressful day. But you're going to get yourself in more trouble than what you need to if you don't get out the car and tell me what's going on. It's either you get out the car or I have to remove you from the vehicle, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, okay?
No, because I'm tired of this. Like, I'm so tired. You abuse me, and then the texting me horrible shit. I've been abused, and I've been texted by a random you met last night. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Well, what happened today? What happened
I don't
today?
care what happened today.
What happened today, though? I need to know what happened today.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
What
I'm
happened
exhausted.
today, though?
I'm emotionally and mentally exhausted.
I understand.
I'm done.
But what happened today?
I'd rather be shit.
Kind of had to at this point.
A girl is allowed to be crazy, as long as she is equally hot. Thus, if she's this crazy, she has to be this hot. If she's this crazy, she has to be this hot. You want the girl to be above this line, also known as the Vicky Mendoza diagonal. This girl I dated, she'd go jump rope with that line. She'd shave her head, then lose 10 pounds. She'd stab me with a fork, then get a boob job.
We can do that. We can do that.
I have no idea, and I'm assuming that the imp speaking bot got an error again. Thank you very much for the $5. Why do people think they don't have to tell cops their name? Honestly, I have no idea. As soon as a cop is investigating you like that, at the very least, you're going to be providing the name. If they tell you that they're investigating something, generally you're going to be handing over your ID as well. If they have a reasonable suspicion that you've committed a crime, where in this instance, someone's reported that she tried to run him over with her car. So, yeah.
But you said you'd rather be.
I want to go to work. I'm tired of this man abusing me, and then he's random texting me. I'm tired of it. Okay. I have pictures of the abuse. You want to see the pictures of the abuse?
I do.
I got pictures of abuse, bro.
What's that from?
Brian!
When did that happen?
Taser.
What's your name? What is your name? I need to know who I'm talking to. What's your name?
This is true.
And how did you get the mark on your arm?
What mark?
Look, right here. Can I show you, please?
Because I'm getting abused, man.
What is this?
I'm being abused.
Is that a bruise?
I'm being abused.
Okay, but what is your name? Who? I can't just say, hey, I'm a female being abused.
Oh, I think she's already pulling an Amber Heard at this stage.
I don't want to tell my business. Like, I'm tired of the abuse, bro.
But listen to me. Here's what I'm trying to get you to understand, okay? I understand you don't want to do all that, and I understand that right now you don't want to give up any information, but you have to. Because this is an investigation. And now it's not your choice. You have to give me your information. And that's what I'm trying to get you to understand. And so you don't get yourself in further trouble.
No, because you're already telling me I'm in trouble.
No, but so you don't get yourself in further trouble, right, and get unnecessary charges thrown on you that you don't have to. That's why I need to know who I'm talking to. So can I please have your driver's license? Please.
No, I don't have my driver's license.
Okay, well, what's your name? What's your name?
Did you talk to him? Tell him you're with me right now.
Who is this? Hello? It's somebody.
Yeah, he hung up like a
Again.
He's not gonna answer. He's not gonna answer.
Who is that?
I'll give you his name.
What's his name?
Bro, like, this is abuse. I'm tired of this shit.
What is his name?
This is abuse, bro. Like, I'm tired of this shit. Do you see this shit? It's abuse, bro. This is abuse.
What day is
this
that?
This is fucking abuse.
What is that from?
This is abuse, bro.
What's it from?
Oh, dude, at this point, I'm fairly confident that he's the one with the battered spouse syndrome because she calls him and convinces him not to press charges, and the cops let her do that. Like, they let her talk on the phone to him in front of them and convince him not to pursue the matter. So I have no sympathy for dude whatsoever.
I'm tired of it. Like, he is abusing me and then has texting me.
Okay, but what's
I'm tired. I'm mentally tired. Like, that's not fair. That is not fair.
I understand, but I need to know what happened. You're not telling me what happened.
No, you need to talk to him.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're downstairs with the officer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just answered because you kept calling me.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. We are here, so all's well.
All is clearly not well.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
I didn't call you guys.
Can
doing any of that stuff.
I need to know who I'm talking to, okay?
No, because I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. Y'all always want to blame the victim. I'm tired of it.
I've never met you before.
This is physical abuse and mental abuse. This texting me.
never-
Who is this? I don't even know her. Why is she texting me? Why is she texting me?
You tell me.
I don't know her.
Okay.
I don't even know who she is. I don't even know her name.
What did she say? Huh?
I don't know this name and she's texting me. I'm getting physically abused and then this texting me? That's not fair.
I mean, one second, okay? 10:15 or no?
I'm tired of this shit, bro.
So what happened today? So you met with Sean, and what did Sean say to
He
you?
was like, I don't give a I don't give a I never this. I know you because she's texting me, you her.
Okay. And so where were you guys at when you guys were talking?
We were on the staircase.
You were on the staircase, so you guys were talking, and you guys were talking about somebody
Suppose it's fair
having
that she didn't
sex
wanna
with
get up.
somebody. You got a text message. When did you get a text message? This was yesterday?
My key scratched me. This is not blood. This is my key scratched me.
Okay, so here, let me do this. I need to take photographs.
No.
You don't want
I
me to
don't
take
want any
photographs?
photos
You
of
don't want
me.
photographs of your injuries?
No.
So how's that going to help you in court?
I don't want to go to court. I don't want to go to court.
But it's going to go there.
I'm not going there.
It's going to go there.
I'm not going
He's
there.
pressing charges.
He's not.
Is he pressing charges?
He's not pressing charges. He's not pressing
She's about
charges.
to she's going to browbeat him into not pressing charges.
He's not pressing charges. I'm not giving you any photos.
How long have you guys been dating?
Bro, like almost a year now.
Okay. And are you guys sexually active?
Very much so.
Okay. And then you found out some information, and that's what brought us to here today. You met up with him. Did you call him last night? Do you guys live
I've
together?
been trying to call him for 2 days straight, and then he's been texting me since last night on some abusive ass shit. Oh, you're embarrassing yourself.
Okay.
If that was my man, he wouldn't be texting me. I wouldn't let him text some random bro.
Huh? Colette.
Can I have my ID back, please?
No, you can't because you are under arrest.
No.
Yeah, I have to arrest you.
For what?
Because he's claiming a battery, so I have to put you in
No,
handcuffs.
like let me call him first.
Okay, I will. I'll let you talk
Can
to
I
him. but
call
you-
him
I have to do
You
this.
shouldn't be letting her call him in the first place.
You want to leave all your jewelry in the car?
Bro, can you not press battery on me, please? Like, girl.
Whoa, Brian. Dude, and is it like your 10th super chat or something like that? Because it's come up with a little fancy thing there. Merry Christmas to you too, buddy. Thank you so much. This gets loud. Really? Like worse than it already is? Oh, thank you for the warning, Bob. I'll drop the sound down slightly.
He's gonna hold the phone for you while we put you in.
They're arresting me. Can you tell them not to? He's saying he's not pressing charges.
Here, give him the phone.
Bro, they're telling me he's not pressing charges.
Listen.
John, like they're literally arresting me because of you, bro. I hate you. You have no reason to arrest me. He's not pressing charges.
Listen.
All I'm saying at this point is she must have some clearly like magic lady bits for him to be putting up with it.
Listen. And it's and
I'm still confused. Same girl, different man, BF, same issue with the cops. Yes. You're not confused. You pretty much got it, exactly. This is where she starts screaming? Probably. Used to work security at an adult club whilst at university. Never saw anyone make it rain with hundreds, not even celebrities. That would be a hell of a thing. Okay.
and it's a domestic situation.
Bro, like I have to go to work. I don't know my work's phone number.
I have no idea. I believe that was genuinely inappropriate.
Do you have a family member that's close that you can call for get your phone?
I wanna go Sean.
Wait, listen.
I wanna go Sean.
We can't call Sean.
Yes, I can.
Call him right now, okay?
Yes,
Relax.
I can.
Relax. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't do that.
I need to call Sean. I need to call Sean.
Give me a second.
I need to call Sean.
What is potentially criminal's phone number? I'm assuming, for the love of God, you're in handcuffs. That's who you should be calling.
Make it happen. Just give me a second.
Have a good day, Bernice.
He said he's not pressing charges.
Put the other
Why are you doing this?
Please don't do this.
He abused me and I'm the problem.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. I do not want you to get any other charges outside
Oh, fair enough.
Stop it.
I'm so tired of this shit, bro. I'm so tired of this shit.
We're gonna have a combative 15. I'm downstairs with the victim and the medics.
Relax.
I want to talk to Sean.
You can't. Listen. You gotta stop. You gotta stop. You gotta stop.
I want to talk to Sean.
You gotta stop.
I want to talk to Sean.
You gotta stop.
A few moments later.
Calm down.
I want to talk to Sean.
You gotta calm down. Stop it. Stop it.
Get off of me.
Huh? I'm just locking her.
I'm holding her.
I got her up, and I'm just trying to lock her legs up. Hey, relax. Relax. This is not helping your situation. Relax. Calm down.
Let go of me.
No, I can't, because you're trying to hurt yourself. Stop.
Seed Fan 85 said, "What is the white version of a German Shepherd?"
Like a Pomeranian? That's the vibe I'm getting from her.
Stop.
I'm hurting.
Stop.
You're hurting me.
Stop biting yourself.
My wrist hurt.
Well, you gotta stop.
My wrist hurt.
A poodle.
We're still trying to locate this female.
My wrist hurt. My wrist hurt.
Okay, well, you gotta stop pulling, okay? You gotta stop pulling.
I want to talk to Sean.
I will help you.
I want to talk to Sean.
I want to be very clear here. This is giving me PTSD for like 2 weeks ago when Scarlett was arguing with me before school because she didn't want to put her shoes on. Like, seriously.
Please talk to
Okay,
Sean.
we'll get you to talk to Sean, but you gotta stop doing this. You gotta stop.
A pug,
You
yes, a
gotta
pug
stop.
works. All bark, no bite.
Mommy milkers.
No, that's inappropriate because she doesn't have them.
We might have to just try to give her a call, see if she'll tell us where she's at, talk to us.
English Terrier.
Are you better now?
Maybe.
Are you better?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, Sarge, I think right now that's probably the best way. She's not across where she's at, so we can just take it and go.
Give her a pacifier and a blanket and she'll be okay. Exactly.
Okay, listen, we're gonna go in the back.
Sean. No, they're called romper suits, and they just... I don't believe that grown women should be wearing them.
I'm gonna explain it to you, okay? But I need you to calm down, okay? Thank you. Here.
Whoa!
Stop it.
Whoa!
Stop it. Stop it.
Don't do that.
Stop.
Don't do that. Okay? We're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
And has she pissed herself as well? Holy sh... Grown-ass child. That's all she is. Wow. A unitardal bathers, you reckon? Okay.
Pull it off the way so that way it's...
Try to twist a little bit. Come on, stop it. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Collect. Collect. Collect yourself. Collect yourself. What is wrong with you? Stop it.
Wow.
You have hobbles?
Emotional damage.
Come back out, Colette. Come on. Come out.
Colette, you gotta stop, bro. You gotta stop. Okay? You gotta stop. Here. Here, I got it.
Boy,
Here, hold this.
that escalated
You
quickly.
gotta stop.
I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
At this point, Jill, I hope she is. Because otherwise, she's just that batshit insane. Whoa, whoa, and we still have another 10 minutes to go with this. Holy shit. Wow.
This one I just brushed up here.
I know. So, what's your call time?
What's our rate?
You say 1 Charlie 8's here.
Back to what's wrong.
Thank you.
Can you show us one shot there, please?
Well, I mean,
Stop.
Ain't gonna work.
I was going to say, hello. Didn't mean to do that, but anyway. Somehow she's gotten two guys. I was going to say she's gotten two guys to get her off, but no, somehow she's managed to get two guys to drop the charges against her for this shit. So magic lady bits. It's a thing. I'm kind of imagining this is what the relationship was like with Taylor Business prior. Or Courtney Clenny, actually thinking about it.
What you're doing.
if you bang your head or how you got those injuries. So stop banging your head so you can stop injuring yourself. Double lock.
I'm not sure the location. Can you have the security meeting here?
No, you guys don't know. Bro, you really don't.
Please.
You guys don't even try to understand. Like, bro.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Drugs are bad, okay?
Stop. Now stop. Okay? Cut it. Stop.
Where do you want them to meet you? Connect 360 Road.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
I don't want to pull your hair, Colette. I can't have you bang your head on the concrete.
360 Rosemary. Rosemary and Maria.
I don't want to. Stop.
She needs sedation at this point.
22.
Yeah, she was hitting her head on the pavement.
We're good. Let's keep her here for now. Hey, listen.
Wow, he's. Oh, holy shit! Having a resisting arrest here in this one video. It's a damn good point, but so I'm just waiting for the menu to pop up. He's got a death grip on that ponytail. What do you reckon, gents? You sticking your wiener in that bear trap?
Gotcha.
Wow.
Honey, if you talk to us, just okay. Okay, just listen. I know, honey, but you gotta. I know. Honey, we don't want to hurt you, okay?
They hurted me the last 3 days, bro. Everybody's been
Alright.
doesn't give a
You're putting yourself out to get hit too, bro. What's the problem?
It's too much. Yeah, it's backseat.
Hey, Colette, you're going to be fine, right? You're going to be okay?
Well, let's just.
Yeah, we can lay down. But she's gonna get everything.
She is.
And when we get there, we can figure this thing out.
Nope. Well, let's keep her here for right now. Honey.
That's pretty much it. At this point, they're just prolonging it. They need to get her in the car, and I would say off to so she can get seen by EMS.
Yeah, could we get a shot me? Well, okay. Maybe just for right now.
You're coming to get me. I love Judgy Cat.
I just want to ask you a couple questions, okay? You're okay. Listen, we can start real quick, okay?
Yes, honestly, I'm surprised they haven't already.
Dance, monkey. Dance for your dollar.
Thank you, Stingy. She needs a booty blaster at this point. Damn. Reminds me of a meltdown my adult mentally disabled sister because I told her mum wasn't acting crazy just because she was cleaning and all people are supposed to clean after themselves. Wow. Okay, fair enough.
Ask you a couple questions real
No, because nobody cares. Nobody cares. If you fucking cared, you would understand what the is with it. Why do I have a bruise on my knee? Why the bruise on my foot? Why is my finger broken? Y'all don't give a You guys don't care.
Talk to you real quick.
And now her finger's broken?
Just like these other guys. Okay?
No, because if they really cared, they would have made sure the broke my finger. Who put this shit on my knee? Who did all this shit to me would be gone. But he's the victim. He's the victim. Out of here, bro. You're
Oh, 100%. This is basically passes as a pretty white girl that they're worried about getting fucked over if they oh, hang on. If they take her to jail. That's all this is. She would have been in the back of the divvy van so much faster. I wonder if did we see whether or not she was driving the same Mercedes, or did her sugar daddy take that off the last time?
What's your name? What's your name?
Nobody cares.
What's your name, dude?
Nope, nobody cares. Answer the damn question.
That shit.
We're not gonna play that game.
I'm so done. Like, nobody cares. Y'all really care. Y'all
Oh, off to the salon. Get it sorted.
confused. And this and I have been texting you. No, you guys don't care.
You tried your best, and
You
you
don't
failed
care.
miserably. The legend
I
is
did. I tried talking to you.
Well, listen, then you started yelling and screaming and all that. You
Because
didn't
you said I'm being under arrest. I was talking to you. I told you what happened.
Okay.
I told you this man is abusing me.
Listen, right now we
Damn
have to get
close.
you medically cleared. And when we get there, look at this man.
Which reminds me, I still got to remember to actually look into Anna. Apparently, she copped a few more charges since the last video.
Bro, this shit.
So
If
do
you
you want
guys
medical
really
attention?
cared, you guys would have arrested him when he was abusing me. He never got arrested. He never got arrested.
Well, honey, if you could let me talk real quick. If you tell us about that stuff that happened.
No, it's done. It was months ago. Nobody did anything. I had to get a fake tooth because of this man.
Okay, and can I just say, in this situation, I get he might hide behind the guise of trying to de-escalate the situation, build a rapport, all that sort of shit. She was literally just on the ground, banging her head on the concrete. I don't think it's appropriate to be calling her honey. Just saying. Being arrested for battery, judging by the behavior, she'd probably be guilty. This is the second video of this woman we've watched tonight. The first time around, she ran over her ex-boyfriend's side piece. So, no. And the scary thing is I already know how this video ends. Just watch.
Yeah.
A fake tooth.
Well, honey, we weren't there for that. None of us. So we're just wondering what's all going on. So if you could just be cool with this, okay? I know there's a lot going on. This isn't good. You know what I'm saying? I know you're not happy. But just be cool with this so we don't make this any worse.
This already worse. This is the worst I can get, bro.
Exactly. Just shut the fuck up, get her in the car, get her off to the jail.
Honey, we don't want you to get hurt.
You guys love blaming the victim. That's how it is, bro. It's always the guy. The guy is the problem. The girl's the problem. It's never the guy. Never the guy.
That's not true.
That's not true because how come when he did all this to me, nobody did anything for me?
What if it gets used as a police training video? You mean what not to do?
But now we're here. You just gotta be cool with this. We don't want you to get hurt. Okay? I know you are. I don't want you to get hurt any worse. So can you do us a favor?
Oh, I just want to die, bro. Like if y'all can just up that medicine and just, you know, I really appreciate
What?
it. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
We're gonna get you some help.
No, I don't want help. I want to. I'm tired of this shit, bro. I'm so.
Oh, wait. We're just waiting for the cops to cut you off.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
No, we're not.
Okay, they've got her on a stretcher. There we go. Strap her down.
Hurting my wrist.
We don't care.
My wrist hurt.
Because you keep bouncing on it. You can't bounce.
Laura Owens on crack. Damn.
Please let go of my wrist, bro. This shit hurts.
Okay, honey, be cool with this. We're gonna get you to the hospital, get you checked out.
I'll ride in the
everything's
rig?
Okay?
No.
But you gotta be cool.
Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Can you grab my bike,
Yep.
Sarge?
We'll get it. We'll get it.
Okay. All right, guys. Yep. Nope.
Whew.
I'm gonna park your car, okay?
No, I don't want to pay for it. I'm not paying for this shit, bro.
Exactly. Either that or Daddy's doing it for her.
But I think he got Donna, you got Somebody picked it up.
Yeah, I put it in the car. Oh, okay. You guys already got her ID, right?
I don't have it.
Is that the bike that he was worried about? A push bike? Are you serious? I was thinking at the very least, you know, he was a motorcycle cop or something like that. Oh, the sound of silence. Oi, like 40 of you haven't voted in the poll. ADHD is suppressing your appetite quite a bit. The meds may not be for you. Huh.
The woman was charged with aggravated battery, assault, and resisting arrest. How well do you think these officers handled such an intense situation? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, absolutely. Feel free to leave a comment. Holy crap. Now, I do know that after the fact, the charges were dropped. He did not pursue. There was nothing brought against her. Which made me really want to hit the fucking ball. But, yeah. I think they handled that very, very poorly. I did have another couple of news articles that I was going to go over, but I'll be perfectly honest. I don't know that I can top that. So what I'm going to do is, and before everyone jumps out of here, just keep in mind, A, we've got the new emojis. B, I'm going to play the outro once. So like I said, I'm assuming that was loud for everybody as well. I really need to fix. Which allowed her to go on to hit the girl in the car. No, the hitting the girl with the car was the first one. That happened prior. Then this happened. So, let me just quickly see if anyone else is live. I presume on a Saturday. Unlikely. Okay. I'm getting just a Jenny horse. Nope, you guys are going off into the ether. Good luck. Flux is on in about 25 minutes. Oh, well, okay. Well, in that case, I'll send you all across to Flux. Go and give her a like. And, you know, maybe stick around for Minecraft. But, where are we? I will see you all back here tomorrow. Same time, same place. And, yeah, as always, people, remember...
Aylin said cherry Pop-Tarts are the best Pop-Tarts, no competition. Oreo Coke is delicious. Is Chex Mix a thing in Australia? Hash, enjoy your international vices.
Okay. One thing. Cherry Pop-Tarts are not the best Pop-Tarts. Blueberry are. Long story short, finito. Oreo Coke, I still haven't tried it. Yes, we do have Chex Mix. Also, for those of you, the goal tonight, which, you know...
Mommy milkers.
Looks like we're going to be doing another stream heading out to USA Foods, which is an import grocer here in Melbourne, where they have a whole bunch of stuff from the USA that I just basically go through. We do a live stream going through. You guys tell me what I should or shouldn't buy, so we'll do that sometime in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, we should all have a bit of fun. We have what? Chex Mix, apparently. Chex Mix. I'm sure I've seen, but yes. Anyway. As always, people, remember, you're not a piece of shit, especially after this week. I want everybody to know that they do have value and do contribute to society, especially... Oh, excuse me, the Coke's coming back. Especially for being here.
Milkers.
I'm going to have to put a fucking global timer on that one, too. Stay healthy, wealthy, and wise, people, and I'll catch you all. Okay? Shit. Peace out, people.
And again, on your way out, please do me the favor, hit the like and subscribe button if you're so inclined. It costs nothing. It's absolutely free, and we'll be friends forever. Bye now.
this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me, I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.